My name is Jim Wonder. I'm the Chief Plumbing Inspector for the City of Omaha. The purpose of this video is to clear up some misunderstandings about the requirements of drinking fountains. The City of Omaha Plumbing Code determines how many drinking fountains a particular occupancy should have. Based on that, then, the City of Omaha adopted in February 2008 the ANSI standard for accessibility. And in that standard, it talks about when a high-low or what kind of drinking fountains would be required. So when you have a requirement by the plumbing code for a drinking fountain, then the ANSI standard dictates that no fewer than 2 drinking fountains shall be provided per floor, one that is accessible to individuals in wheelchairs and one accessible to those who have trouble stooping or bending. In addition to that, 50% of all the drinking fountains on that floor has to be either accessible to people in wheelchairs or accessible to people with stooping or bending problems. An example of that would be if you had 4 drinking fountains required by code, then 2 of those would have to be at the height for wheelchair accessibility, and 2 of them would have to be at the requirements for people who have trouble stooping or bending. A high-low drinking fountain then is required any time that the plumbing code requires 1 drinking fountain. The height of the drinking fountain for the wheelchair is 36 inches to the spout opening, not to the rim of the drinking fountain. The high-low one, the one for people bending or have trouble bending or stooping, is 38 to 43 inches. Now again, the plumbing code does not recognize a high-low as more than 1 drinking fountain. The exception would be if these were separated from center of this one to the center of that one by 30 inches, then it can be counted as 2 drinking fountains. I hope this clears up some of the troubles that we've had recently about high-low drinking fountains. If you have any questions, feel free to call me at my office with area code 402-444-5374, or you can contact me by email at jwonder, W-N-D-E-R, at ci.omaha.ne.us. Thank you for your time and attention.